Hello everyone, I'm going to show you in this short video how you can pixelate image in GIMP. So what you're going to have to do here is to go to, here we have filters, tools. Make sure you click on filters, and then here we have blur, and here we have lens blur, and then also of course pixelize. If you click on this, then you have here some options. Now, depends on how you change this. You're gonna have different results. Not a lot of pixels, less pixels, and it's quite easy. You can also offset. You can also change the ratio, but yeah. Usually I leave this to 1 and 1 here. But basically, if you want now maybe to preset, also make sure you have preview. And also you have split view, which is pretty cool if you want to see the difference. And you also have like color, so you can like background color, and you also can change from to round. Yeah, I think it gives a really nice effect. I hope you found this helpful, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and take care.